Are you looking for a powerful gaming CPU with impressive performance without blowing your budget? Then make sure you watch this video until the very end. Today we're taking a look at a model that quietly but confidently dominates the mid-range segment. And it comes with a very special technical trick. When it comes to smart gaming upgrades, this processor is exactly what many people have been searching for. It's based on the proven Zen 3 architecture and brings the strengths of the popular 5800X 3D into a more affordable package, with almost identical gaming performance. The biggest star here is clearly the so-called 3D V-cache. Think of it like a huge notebook right next to the brain. The more information that's instantly available, the faster work can get done. That's exactly what makes this chip so strong in gaming. Games that rely heavily on cache access, such as competitive shooters or open-world titles, run incredibly smooth here. With its 8 cores and 16 threads, the processor also delivers solid performance outside of gaming. Sure, there are stronger chips for professional video or 3D editing, but for everyday use, there's very little to complain about. Things get especially interesting if you already have an AM4 motherboard. With a BIOS update, installation is almost a plug-and-play experience. Important to know, there's no integrated graphics unit. That means you'll definitely need a dedicated graphics card. A cooler is also not included in the box, so you'll have to provide your own cooling solution. But that also gives you flexibility. You can decide how quiet or powerful you want your setup to be. Overall, this is a very attractive package, especially for gamers who don't want to jump to the newest socket or DDR5 RAM just yet. You get a lot of gaming power at a price that's very reasonable compared to high-end models. So if you're thinking about upgrading and already own an AM4 system, this chip could become your new favorite component. Be sure to check the product links in the description. You'll find deals, current prices, and additional accessories there. So, what are the main advantages and disadvantages? Pros: extremely strong gaming performance thanks to the large cache. Great price-to-performance ratio compared to high-end CPUs. Works with many existing AM4 motherboards. Energy efficient despite high performance. Cons: no cooler included. Additional purchase required. No integrated graphics, while a dedicated GPU is mandatory. Not ideal for productivity workloads like video editing. Only limited overclocking possible. If you're looking for maximum gaming performance without investing in a completely new platform, this model is definitely worth a look. Be sure to check the deal links in the video description. You'll find all the info on the best prices there. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time!